Dashama here. Okay, so a lot of people ask me if I can demonstrate some ways that they can sculpt their arms. And I have to tell you, there's nothing that will really do it better than three things. Number one, chaturanga, so going from plank position down through chaturanga and then coming up into up dog. That transition right there is like really empowering to the arms. It works the shoulders, the front of the chest, this part right here, which is your pecs, and the front of the deltoid, and then in the back of the arm, and then the triceps. So this whole area is getting really toned with that, and really strong. But at the same time, there's something really important for you to understand, is that as you squeeze your shoulder blades together behind you and you spread through the front of the chest, you're really strengthening the back of the body and you're empowering the back of the shoulder, because that's an area that really gets left out a lot and can become weak over time. And the last thing that's really great for the arms is back bending, full wheel pose, and also table. So I'm just going to demonstrate a few of these. I'll demonstrate full wheel, I'll demonstrate table, and then the chaturanga into the up dog. And you can really see the arms and how this muscle, this tricep right here, it's really activated in some of this. And you know, on the spiritual level, you might think like, what does it matter if you have, you know, defined triceps? But in the end, the truth is, you know, we all care about how we look, and when you look good, you feel good. And the last thing you want is the second wave, right? So if you have the second wave going right now, you can really tighten that up, and you'll really feel better about wearing, you know, tank tops and different kinds of clothes. Okay, so let's see it. Starting in plank position, palms under the shoulders, bend the elbows and lower the chest, parallel to the floor. Flip the toes over, press the palms into the earth, straighten the elbows, lift through the heart. Upward facing dog. Press back into plank position. Exhale, lower. Inhale, rise up, lift your heart to the sky. Going back to plank, lowering to chaturanga, and inhaling back to upward facing dog. Repeat as many times as possible. Start seated, palms behind you, fingers facing your feet hip distance apart. Press your hips up into table position, then bending the elbows, lower the upper back down, squeezing the triceps as you exhale on the way back up. To advance, lift one leg at a time. Advanced option, full wheel, palms behind the shoulders, feet hip distance apart. Press your abdomen towards the sky and walk your hands in towards your feet in towards the hands. Engage the strength in the back of your body. Breathe deep. So as you can see, those three are not beginners. You can try it as a beginner though. But if you're a beginner, I recommend that you just do a few and you have somebody around you that can spot you or help you so that you don't injure yourself. But you can definitely go from plank and lowering down and pressing up into cobra position at least. And then if you can, lift the knees and draw the shoulders back a little more and come into up dog, because that's really powerful. And then keep repeating that sequence. You're going to see your arms really transform, and you won't need to lift any weights in the gym. Namaste. Visit perfect10lifestyle.com today to get your copy of the full-length DVD, Balance Your Life with Yoga.